Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to set mute notification from people on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the started. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your profile picture. Click on. And the next step, you can click the settings and privacy. Okay, let's move to the privacy and safety. And I go to the mute and blocked. The next step, you can click the mute notifications. Okay, how to be set to mute notification or from people. First, you don't follow. If you want to allow for the people that you don't follow, you can click it until has the check up. And the second one, who don't follow you. The people who don't follow you is a can or don't have the notification for you. And the third one, with a new account, the people has the new account is not allowed to has notification for you. Okay, the fourth one is who have a default profile photos. You can also check up to don't allow the notification. And the fifth, who haven't confirmed their email, also has a notification for you. Okay. And the last but not least is who haven't confirmed their phone number. There is also don't have the notification for you. Okay, if you check up it mean you can to follow for the notification mute. Okay, I think it's enough for you about how to set mute notification from people on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.